Hey guys, this is a quick introduction to Whitebox Learning, which is the website you're going to use to design your gliders. Once you get to the login page, you're going to enter in your student ID, which is just a 4-digit number your teacher gave you, and the group ID. The group ID is the same for everyone. It's JRXQ. Click Sign In, click Gliders, and click Engineering. Once it's loaded, you're going to see a blank blue page. To make the glider visible, click these little eyeball buttons over here. It's going to make each part visible. Now this is just the regular glider without any changes made. Your job is to figure out how to change this and alter it to maximize how long it's able to fly once we actually build and test it. Now to do that, we're going to click this button called Optimization. This optimization screen tells us how well our glider is designed in different ways. For example, this indicator here shows how much lift my glider is predicted to make. Now obviously it could make more lift, but it's not terrible. However, if I look at the yaw, for example, which is the left to right turning, you can see it's really unstable. That means that when I launch this, my glider is really likely to turn left and right, which is going to reduce how long it's able to stay in the air. Now to change that, I got to think back to my parts of an airplane. I remember that the vertical stabilizer is what helps keep yaw stable. So I'm going to click the wrench next to vertical stabilizer. I have a few options here for color and sanding level. What I see over here is a tool that I can use to change the shape of the vertical stabilizer. So if I drag this up and make it bigger, you can see it get bigger over here after a moment. And look what happens. The yaw becomes much more stable. Now you can continue to tinker with this, change its shape, and see what works best. You can do that. Once you're done with this, press Done. And you can go through each part, changing and editing the pieces to try to maximize how well your glider is designed in each of these areas. A couple other quick tips. As you're going, if you ever make a mistake, don't panic. You can always press Reset. Another thing to check is the output screen. Click Outputs and click Design Specifications, and it'll tell you the maximum sizes and then what yours is at. For example, the maximum wingspan we can build is 300 millimeters. But right now I have it designed to be 302 millimeters. That's not okay because we're not going to have a long enough piece of wood to do that. So going back to engineering, I'm going to have to shorten the length of my wing. Another thing you're going to want to do is save often. To do that, just click File, Save, give it a name, and click Save a Working Copy. Make sure whatever name you use has your name in it. When we start competing with each other, you're going to want to be able to know who you're flying against. That's it. Have fun and good luck.